Hey, what's going on? I'm Sam from Light-Eye, where we empower light ideas. Think about the concept of looking good, but being thorough along every step of the process. Because typically, that's what leads to solutions that last. You know, a seamless look that works across a variety of applications, configured to meet your needs. Simple designs that can configure as a system to create a comfortable environment that provides general illumination is what Corelite, a Cooper Lighting Solutions brand, is all about. The product development cycle goes the extra mile to consider each individual that will interact with Corelite along its journey from beginning to end. Even in a simple and maybe traditional form factor, options in customization are a good thing. After all, no two buildings, spaces, or opinions are ever the same. Setting a design up for success starts with an easy specification, but there has to be a well-rounded, holistic approach on the manufacturing end. It's also important to make sure that things ship quick, and any issues that come up are dealt with quickly. That's front and center with Corelite, its people, and the products they deliver. For any project, you have to consider how it's going to be specified, how it ships, how it installs, how it operates, and how it's maintained over time. When it comes to a linear form factor, the Continua SQ4 has a configurable lumen output for each distribution, and a custom option is also available. Looking at the in-depth, there's a comprehensive lens selection. It's one platform where you can easily adjust the ceiling topography. Shipping is important, so the SQ4's modular design allows it to be configured and ship out the door ready to be hung. When it comes to in-depth, you can unit pack it or job pack it, which allows the waste to be minimized on the job site, an environmentally friendly solution. Getting things installed is the next challenge, which is why the SQ4 has the ability to move the mounting locations back and forth and create cool configurations, like this one. Looking at in-depth, well, the lens is field interchangeable. Once everything's in place, operating those luminaires and the experience that they create is equally, if not the most important, which is why the SQ4 has a continuous lens with no gaps, no flashbang of LEDs, and gives you a clean, even look. The in-depth has the ability to play with the topography in the ceiling, creating a visual experience while also providing light to the space. Over time, things do have to be maintained, which is why SQ4 is serviceable from the top, where gravity is your friend. That's right, no kinks in the neck, no hands up in small apertures. When you look at in-depth, the acrylic lenses tend to resist fingerprints, and of course, they're easy to wipe down. Those applications that feel typical, but ultimately are always different, like schools, office spaces, and healthcare facilities, deserve the opportunity to have some good-looking lights in them, while always meeting your requirements, which is ultimately what Corelite, a Cooper Lighting Solutions brand, strives to do. All of these products work with connected solutions too, integrating sensors directly into the luminaires or plugging in to a bigger control system or an IoT backbone that enables things like asset tracking. If you want to learn more about Corelite, do me a favor and check them out at corelite.com. The link is in the comments below. Or if you want, drop a couple luminaires into your space with the Light Architect app and see what things look like for yourself with augmented reality. If you want to dive into SQ4, their newest linear, click that button right there. Until then, see ya!